Do you ever feel like reading a book is a waste of time? Do you find yourself highlighting and underlining passages, only to never revisit them again? This is a common issue, and it's all due to the way we process and retain information while reading. Instead of passively reading with just our eyes, we can make the most of the books we read by actively engaging with the content. To help with this, I have a personal formula I use every time I read a book. It's not complicated, and it's helped me retain and learn more from my reading. The formula is split into two parts: impressions and actionable takeaways. Impressions are a stream of consciousness summary of the book, where I write a few sentences about my thoughts and feelings about the book as I read it. This helps me recall what I felt about the book when I look back at it later.
Actionable takeaways are the key part of the note-taking process. Instead of just highlighting passages, I actively think about how I can apply what I read to my personal life. For example, if I read about a writer who dreamed of something to look forward to every night before bed, I would write down "go to sleep every day with something to look forward to" as an actionable takeaway. I limit these to 10 quotes, so I have a focused list of things I can actively apply.
By converting what I read into something I can use in my life, I make my reading experience more engaging and meaningful. So, let's make the most of our reading and turn our passive experience into an active one.